Every once in a while, a property comes along that redefines what luxury living on 30A means. This is one of those moments. A $14 million new construction residence in Alys Beach is a statement of architecture, craftsmanship, and coastal living that captures the very essence of elegance by the sea. Now let's step inside 155 Elbow Beach Road, a masterwork of architecture by Byron K. Smith, built by Alys Beach Construction, and interiors by James Design.
Welcome to one of the most extraordinary homes ever built in Alys Beach, where architectural excellence meets the height of coastal luxury. Beyond the private entry gate, a tranquil courtyard sets the tone, complete with a water feature, lush landscaping, and the soft sound of fountains that lead you toward the heart of this home. The courtyard opens to an incredible outdoor retreat, a sparkling pool and spa surrounded by elegant stone terraces, a full outdoor kitchen, and a grand fireplace, creating the perfect space for year-round entertaining. Inside, the design is both timeless and modern. White stone pavers flow throughout the first floor, complemented by Venetian plaster walls, pecky cypress beams, and custom millwork that reflect the craftsmanship synonymous with Alys Beach. The open living area is bright and inviting, perfectly designed for gathering, entertaining, and relaxing. Massive 5-panel nano doors fold completely away, creating a seamless indoor-outdoor transition that invites the coastal breeze in and expands your living space out to the pool terrace. The kitchen is a showpiece, anchored by an oversized island and outfitted with Wolf and Sub-Zero appliances, including a built-in coffee system, a butler's pantry and wet bar featuring wine fridge, beverage cooler, and ice maker, designed for effortless entertaining. Also on this level, a designer powder bath, outdoor shower, elevator, and a beautifully crafted drop zone just off the entry for all your beach essentials. Ascending to the second floor, you'll find a secondary laundry room and a custom bunk room that sleeps 8, complete with built-in storage and its own private bath, perfect for family or guests. 2 additional guest suites each offer ensuite baths, private balconies, and beautifully framed views over the courtyard and pool, creating private retreats for friends and family alike. The primary suite is a serene sanctuary featuring a private study, Venetian plaster ceiling, and an expansive patio overlooking the Gulf. Wake up to the sound of waves and sunlight through arched openings, then step into a spa-inspired bath with a double vanity, steam shower with dual heads, and a custom linen cabinet and dressing area. The third floor is all about entertaining, with a lounge featuring a cypress-clad ceiling, wet bar, beverage cooler, ice maker, and a full bath with double vanities. From here, folding nano doors open once again to a covered terrace. Beyond that, a 400 square foot rooftop deck where breathtaking panoramic Gulf views stretch as far as the eye can see. Whether it's sunset cocktails or starlit evenings with friends, this is the crown jewel of an already extraordinary home.
Well, as you can clearly see, this residence is a rare expression of architecture and artistry, blending timeless design and the effortless beauty that defines Alys Beach. To explore the complete listing for 155 Elbow Beach Road, click the link in the description below or scan this QR code on the screen. And if you'd like to talk about finding your own extraordinary home here on 30A, reach out anytime using the contact information below. Until next time, make it a great day on 30A.